If you're serious about vlogging, your camera choice can make or break your content. In this video, I'm showing you the 5 best vlogging cameras in 2026, the ones that actually give you sharp video, smooth stabilization, and reliable performance in real use. Whether you're just starting or already creating regularly, these are the cameras that truly make a difference. All product buy links are in the video description, and you'll also find tagged products for easy access. Stay till the end to find the perfect camera for your setup. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a pocket-sized gimbal camera that puts pro-grade stability and powerful imaging right in the palm of your hand. With its upgraded 1-inch sensor, every scene turns effortlessly cinematic, bringing richer detail, stronger depth, and a more polished look to the moments worth keeping. The advanced microphone system delivers immersive sound recording, and when even cleaner audio is needed, a pair of DJI Mic 2s can be connected directly for crystal clear results. A quick and easy flip makes it simple to get everything in frame, so recording feels natural and smooth instead of complicated. Its take-it-anywhere design gives creators the freedom to capture life wherever inspiration strikes, whether it's a casual day out, a special memory, or a fast-moving moment that cannot be repeated. Fast charging from 0 to 80% in just 16 minutes keeps the camera ready when the next shot appears, while the 3-axis gimbal holds footage stable and ultra-smooth, even during movement. Features like Spin Shot open up unique angles that make content feel more dynamic and high-catching, and the new Face Auto Detect feature makes tracking effortless, so the focus stays on the moment, not the camera. An additional battery handle gives extra recording time, making it easier to film longer and keep the story going. Even after the sun sets, the creating does not stop. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is made for any moving moment, and it brings real creative freedom with it. Number 4. Canon PowerShot V10 is a compact vlogging camera that makes everyday content feel easy, fast, and polished. Its sleek, pocket-sized design is made for on-the-go creativity, while the 15.2-megapixel, 1-inch back-illuminated CMOS sensor delivers strong low-light performance and a clean, detailed look. The retractable front-facing screen keeps framing simple, subject detection helps hold focus, and the micro HDMI output port, external mic auxiliary port, and USB-C charging add practical flexibility for smoother shooting. A smart stand folds to the front or back, opening up more angles and hands-free recording in different settings. The fixed 19mm wide-angle lens, 35mm equivalent, works well for wide scenes, tight spaces, and everything between. With version 1.2.0 or later, 3 image stabilization modes are available while recording video: IS off, IS on, and IS enhanced. It also records 8-bit 4K video at up to 30 FPS and Full HD at up to 60 FPS, with 14 movie color filters for different moods. 2 stereo microphones and a third center mic help cut unwanted background noise. Canon PowerShot V10 keeps content simple and ready to share. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10 II is a powerful APS-C mirrorless camera made for creators who want sharp detail, smooth motion, and real flexibility in one compact body. Its advanced back-illuminated XMOR-R CMOS sensor delivers about 26 megapixels of resolution, with a larger sensor size that helps produce cleaner, more professional-looking images than a smartphone or compact 1-inch camera. With support for Sony's E-mount system, it works with a wide range of lenses, from the G Master series for stunning resolution and beautiful bokeh, to the G Lens series for first-class image quality. And the kit includes the EPZ 16-50 f3.5 to 5.6 OSS2 zoom lens. Creative Look adds 10 presets that can be used or customized, while My Image Style gives even more expressive control. In intelligent auto or scene selection, background bokeh, brightness, and color tone can also be easily adjusted on the touchscreen. Real-time Eye AF tracks human, animal, and bird eyes with precision, and real-time tracking keeps focus steady as subjects move. It also records up to 60 FPS in 4K and 120 FPS in Full HD, with S&Q slow motion, in-camera time-lapse, and continuous still shooting up to 11 FPS. Sony ZV-E10 Mark II keeps every shot ready to impress. Number 2. Insta360 X5 is a powerful 360 action camera made for adventures, travel, and everyday moments that deserve to look unforgettable. With two wide-angle lenses working together, it captures every possible angle in a single shot, creating immersive 360-degree videos that keep the whole scene alive without extra gear or retakes, and all of it fits right in your pocket. Larger sensors and more efficient processing bring stunning 8K 30 resolution, adding rich detail, stronger colors, and a more realistic feel to every frame. A selfie stick can disappear automatically from your videos, so you get clean, cinematic third-person shots even when traveling solo, and you can even unlock drone-like angles in no-fly zones. For action, the upgraded bullet time effect adds dramatic slow-motion movement with a smoother, more exciting finish, while the easy reframing tools in the Insta360 mobile app let you choose the best angles after recording, giving you total freedom in the edit. The camera also delivers 5.7K 60 slow-mo for crisp, dynamic motion that brings movement into sharp focus. For the first time in Insta360's 360 camera lineup, Pure Video mode lets you keep shooting after dark with less noise, brighter images, and more detail, so your footage stays strong from sunrise to sunset. Whether capturing yourself, friends, or everything around you, Insta360 X5 keeps the creative possibilities wide open. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 6 is DJI's first action camera with variable aperture, built to deliver strong image quality, reliable performance, and creative freedom in one compact body. Powered by a new 1/1.1-inch square sensor and a responsive f2.0 to f4.0 variable aperture, it handles fast action, changing light, and everyday shooting with impressive control and clarity. Its robust construction makes it ready for rough use, while the smooth, creator-friendly ecosystem helps keep the workflow simple from capture to sharing. Cold-resistant performance and up to 4 hours of battery life make it a strong companion for long shoots and demanding conditions. And Osmo Audio direct microphone connection adds cleaner, easier sound recording when audio matters most. With 50 gigabytes of built-in storage, there is more room to keep recording without always reaching for extra memory. And 20-meter waterproof protection opens the door to confident underwater and outdoor shooting. From adventure sessions to daily moments, Osmo Action 6 brings pro-level imaging, practical power, and a bold feel that makes every shot more exciting. Ready for action? Ready for more.